Is a relief. You need anything to beat the heat, truly.
Gotta find anything to do to beat the temperatures that we've been experiencing these last few days. We had 93 for a high on Tuesday at TF Green Airport, 96. We ended up at 93 yesterday, so officially a heat wave. And those temperatures are going to continue to be incredibly high for today and through the weekends. We're looking at an extended amount of time of these heat wave conditions, forecasting a high around the mid 90s today for the TF Green Airport. And as we head through the upcoming weekend, those temperatures are going to stay in the mid 90s range. So it is going to be hot. It is going to be humid outside, especially as the next couple of days goes on. And on Monday, forecasted high of about 90 degrees. So we could potentially end up with a full week, 7 days of 90 degrees or higher. Now, Monday will be closed. That's our next chance of rain. So if clouds come in, those temperatures get capped off. And it looks like we're down to the 80s into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. But if we do, of course, end up hitting 90 degrees, we start talking about some records here. We have had 4 times in years past where we've had a full week of 90 degrees or higher. It happened twice in 1944, it happened in 2002, and again in 2006. So it's been a little while, but that is the most amount of days that we've had at TF Green Airport of 7 days or more of 90 degree weather. There's been quite a few years where we've had 6 days of 90 degrees plus, and then 5 days, which will certainly beat plenty of those. What we're looking at outside this morning, temperatures in the low to mid 70s to start. 74 in Providence right now, 73 in Newport, 72 in Westerly. We're looking at dew points that are also in the low 70s range this morning, but the dew points are going to be dropping off a bit as the day goes on. Because of the high dew points this morning, there's another round of some dense fog in spots, and that's patchy. Some of us see it, some of us don't. Otherwise, hazy sunshine expected as the day goes on. Now, it's still going to be muggy today, but we do get a little drop in our dew points into the afternoon hours. So we're in less of that really uncomfortable feel and more just kind of in that muggy level of things. But as we head through the weekend, the muggy factor continues to climb. And that's why there has been a heat advisory issued for Saturday and Sunday once again. Satellite radar image shows you a couple of clouds and some spot showers out through far eastern Mass. That's the cold front pushing through. We're not cooling down behind the cold front, but we'll see sunshine outside for much of the day today. And again, those dew points drop just a little bit to a slightly more comfortable level. It's still muggy today. You see some fog into tomorrow morning. Otherwise, hazy sunshine expected through the day tomorrow. Some fog on Sunday morning. Hazy sunshine expected as the day goes on Sunday. Again, our next chance of rain not coming in until Monday. Mid 90s today, 80s at the beaches. Breeze comes in out of the southwest. Keep in mind, there is that moderate rip current risk. Use caution getting in the water. Pay attention to what the lifeguards are saying. Tonight will be mild and muggy with temps in the low 70s, and tomorrow back into the mid 90s range. We feel more like 100 degrees. There is a heat advisory. It's been issued for Saturday and for Sunday. We don't have the heat advisory today, but it is going to be hot and muggy out there. But the humidity factor rises through the weekend. Still around 90 on Monday and then 80s into much of next week. Doreen?
My goodness.